Always fancy Gadam, they do the most. Fancy Gadam always doing the most from the northern side. Bro, he's in the house again with block and delete. Block and delete. Just like any other artist, it be like fancy Gadam to get broken heart. Yes! Me, I think say northern men they be hardcore. Then get broken heart. Oh my goodness. Block and delete. The official video is here. Let's do this. Now broken heart song there, I we go take dance. Kill him up. Kill him up. So always I dey get Halima, shout out Halima wherever you did. I dey get Halima to do the interpretation for the Dagoba language for me. So what fancy Gadam they talk be say, bro, all the broken heart you have given me, all the money, all my money that you have spent, or the money that I've spent on you, I've forgiven you. No yawa. But the broken heart you have given me, unless you repay it, I will not be able to forgive you. Then he later went on further to say that you can fall in love, but don't be mad in love. Don't be foolish in love. Stand in the love. Tell me if I dey lie. Shout out Halima.
It's okay, oh baby, I no won't give you pressure. It's okay, oh baby, make you no can give me pressure. I be want to go, they're your own choice. She want to leave, but I'm handcuffed.
So he is a fancy Gadam say he will not come and give you pressure. He will not come and be begging you to stay with him in the relationship. He won't do that. He approach you, you accepted. If you are fed up with the relationship and you want to go, please go. He not go give you pressure. Please go. But don't forget, once you go, he will block you, he will delete you straight up. I think Fancy Gadam should give us one of them kind features one of these days. You see how he featured Sarkodie on Total Cheat and it was a global hit. He should give us one of them kind hits these days, because we feel Fancy Gadam alone, sir. I think it's about time he give us features upon features, because this is not the time for Fancy Gadam to prove to us what he can do. We already know that Fancy Gadam is an already made artist, an already established artist. He should give us more features. He should put a lot of people on. That's what I feel, bro. Take it or leave it, eh? Northern artists be one of the people, or be part, like there are people who always take their video works very seriously. If you watch their videos, They hardly come with audio slides alone. Look at Macasio. When they come with the audio slide, in no time they will release the video. They are not like other people always coming out with audio slides. They always take serious. They always pay serious attention to their video parts. You can also observe for yourself. Block and delete fancy Gadam. The link to the official video will be in my YouTube description. Click on them, check them out. Shout out Halima for helping with the interpretation. If it is your first time on the channel, please don't forget to consider subscribing, hit the like button if you like the video, comment something. If you dislike, but tell me why you are doing any of the two in the comment section. My name forever remains Klastes, Klastes. To meet again on my next episode of my next content, Philip Society.